Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Saiful Islam, your graphics mentor. Today, I will show you how to create a simple text animation in After Effects. Welcome back. Today I will show you how to create this simple text animation. I'm creating a new composition. Create a new solid background. Create a new text layer. Adjust the text. Create another text layer. Adjust the text. I have given both the font link I have used in the description below. Create a new solid name trace. Place it below the text layer. Select the trace solid layer. Select the pen tool. Make mask on text as like me. I'm doing it fast. In case of yours, take your time. Select the trace solid layer. Go to Effects and Control menu. Search for stroke. Apply it to trace solid layer. Adjust the brush size. Select or mask option. Decrease the text layer opacity to adjust the brush size correctly. Take your time and adjust the anchor point. Select the trace solid layer. Pre-compose it. Name it handwritten. Select Move All Attributes option. Go to Track Matte panel and select Alpha Matte. Decrease end value to 0%. Go to 1 or 2 second forward and make it 100%. Change the color as your wish. Now it looks like this. Few things have to fix. Go to handwritten layer, decrease the brush size little. And adjust the anchor point slowly. I'm doing it fast. You can take your time to adjust perfectly. Looks cool. Select animation text layer. Create a new shape layer. Make mask on the text. Select the animation text layer, make it alpha matte to shape layer. Adjust the positioners like me. Cool. Thank you for watching. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you in the next tutorial.